Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another new video. In this video, we will learn how to plant Acroclinium flower seeds at home. Get all information about soil, month, temperature, necessary care in this video. Plant seeds in medium-sized pot or seedling tray. Put the seeds on the soil. I am sowing these seeds in 5-inch plastic pot with good drainage system. Soil 90% coco peat, 10% vermicompost. Cover all the seeds with thin layer of same potting soil mix. In some places in India, the temperature start falling below 28 degrees Celsius from the month of August, so you can sow its seeds from the month of August to December month. Sowing temperature below 28 degrees Celsius. Plant seeds in full sun during temperature below 28 degrees Celsius and the temperature is high, then sow under green net. After 4-5 days, the seeds will germinate and come out. Two important care. First, when the plant is growing, you should keep the pot in morning sun for at least 2 hours. Second, avoid giving too much or less water. Maintain light moisture in the soil. This plant saplings can be planted in another pot after 18 days. I am going to transplant the saplings in 6-inch pot. Soil, sand, garden soil, coco peat, vermicompost in equal amount. Before uproot the plant, pour water so that the roots do not break and the roots can be uprooted easily. After transplantation, keep it in the shade of another tree for 2-3 days. First update after transplantation. First pinching to make the plant bushy. Second update after transplantation. Now keep pot in full to partial sun. Third update after transplantation. Fourth update after transplantation. Now buds have started forming in the plant. Fifth update after transplantation. Now buds have started bloomed in the plant. If you have any question or suggestion about this video, please comment in this video comment box. Thanks for watching.